Hey, what is crack-a-lackin' tubers? It is moi, Helen the Tendergreens YouTube vid. Who is singing this song? Bleep? Blink? I don't know. Okay, I see. Diabetes? Dang, you got Helen tripping over here. Don't touch me. I'll shoot you. What are they shaking? Salt and pepper? Oh my god, Shopkins. I am sponsored by Shopkins. Well, let's do a recap. Shopkins. Got a little itch right here. What's this? You get a free seat at our concert. Oh my god! Did I just sneeze? A prize? Everyone in my audience is getting a free ticket to Helen the Tendergreens concert.